Hi everyone. Notepad++ 8.7.2 brings a fantastic new feature, the Pin Tab function, making tab management more efficient. This update allows you to pin tabs to the far left for easy access without shrinking their size, unlike Google Chrome's pin tabs. First, the pin tabs now feature a pin icon and remain the same size as regular tabs. Hovering over these tabs reveals a close button for quick tab management. Next, the update resolves the issue with the Ctrl+C shortcut, which was previously broken when copying text from search results, improving workflow efficiency. Then, Notepad++ now offers a handy option to minimize or close the app to the system tray, giving you greater control over the application's window. You can easily download Notepad++ 8.72 from the official website. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and tips, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest features.